Your eyes are complex organs that need many different vitamins and nutrients to function properly. Common conditions, such as diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts, can impact your eyes. Vitamins and nutrients help maintain eye health. Vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in vision by maintaining a clear cornea, which is the outside covering of your eye. This vitamin is also a component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low light conditions. Xerophthalmia is a progressive eye disease that begins with night blindness. If vitamin A deficiency continues, your tear ducts and eyes can dry out. Severe vitamin A deficiency can lead to xerophthalmia, a serious condition that can result in blindness. In some studies, high amounts of vitamin A intake were associated with a reduced risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Vitamin E. Many eye conditions are believed to be associated with oxidative stress, which is an imbalance between antioxidants and free radicals in your body. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells, including your eye cells, from damage by free radicals, which are harmful, unstable molecules. Nonetheless, a diet that includes adequate vitamin E is recommended to maintain proper eye health. Some vitamin E-rich options include nuts, seeds, and cooking oils. Salmon, avocado, and leafy green vegetables are also good sources. Vitamin C. Like vitamin E, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that may protect your eyes against damaging free radicals. Vitamin C is required to make collagen, a protein that provides structure to your eye, particularly in the cornea and sclera. Several observational studies suggest that vitamin C may help lower your risk of developing cataracts, a condition that causes your eye to become cloudy and impairs vision. Vitamin B. Researchers have also studied several B vitamins for their impact on eye health, particularly vitamins B6, B9, and B12. Clinical study in women demonstrated a 34% reduced risk of developing AMD while taking 1,000 micrograms of vitamin B12 along with vitamins B6 and B9. The combination of vitamins B6, B9, and B12 may help reduce your risk of developing AMD by lowering your homocysteine levels. Riboflavin. Another B vitamin studied in relation to eye health is riboflavin, vitamin B2. As an antioxidant, riboflavin has the potential to reduce oxidative stress in your body, including your eyes. As an antioxidant, riboflavin may protect against damaging free radicals in your eyes. Diets high in riboflavin have been associated with a reduced risk of developing cataracts. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats may also benefit individuals with dry eye disease by helping them produce more tears. With this condition, a lack of tears causes dryness, discomfort, and occasional blurry vision. To increase omega-3 fatty acids in your diet, include rich sources such as fish, flaxseed, chia seeds, soy, and nuts. Omega-3s can also be found in cooking oils such as canola and olive oil. However, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein, and healthy fats will provide you with all the nutrients your eyes and the rest of your body needs for optimal health.